No.
McKenna, what are you looking for?
Sure.
Looking for Foley?
Yeah. Okay.
You think he might be in the kitchen?
No.
I don't think he's in the kitchen today. He's in a new spot.
Oh. Kiki.
Can you find him? Hmm. He's hiding. Maybe he's by the bathroom.
Want to?
You want me to come too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's you. Yeah. Yeah.
Who did you find?
Yeah.
You found Foley? Oh, I see him. Hi, Foley.
It has pig.
Can you say hi, Foley?
Hi, Michelle. Yeah.
You showing him the daddy?